Alright, welcome back to another MOI production. It's Monday. We finished last week with the riprap, so now we're going to start back on this boulder wall. It's supposed to be about 5 foot high, follow the shape of the slope. But first we got to take out these massive trees and give ourselves a little bit more clearance. See what we can't break on a Monday morning. Some old porcelain from Grandma Sheila. You released your top side,
yep.
And then the bottom side, the one that I pointed out originally, holds on. So it's the only thing it's got to pivot on. You're good. We saved it.
Yeah, thank God.
I would have never done that. You don't want the tree falling on you?
Absolutely not.
Beautiful. We'd be mad at the world. Use some duct tape today. You didn't even shovel it. You're waiting this whole time. No shoveling.
I'm not shoveling it.
Are we? Maybe it's you.
Maybe it is you.
No, it's fine, Nick. I'll do it.
Oh my God, Tristan.
Okay,
This
so
one's that one, right?
yeah, but we gotta put sand in there first. Realistically, we can have this old girl
Almost tucked back there, huh?
butt up as flat as we can get it, or as flat against the ground.
Oh,
See this gap?
Yeah.
Yes, we need one.
It's Tristan just yelling at everybody.
I
Pissed.
am yelling.
Not yelling, but close.
Guy that's stressed out. That's all.
So what do we got going on here?
Not really sure, to be honest. Just kind of here.
So why'd you do that?
Well, because I just don't think my laborers will be able to hold a shovel over this to not get it filled. Why are you pointing the camera at him and to you, buddy?
Better turn around yourself.
What's that one for?
Oh, just a little extra. So maybe we don't get the sand to go through our hole. We got grid.
What does the grid do?
This just one piece holding all that back. Last week we started on this boulder wall. We got pretty far with it. It's grading, so it makes it a little more difficult to do with the rocks to make sure they're structurally sound. But we got grid in there, we got tile back there, sand, boulder fabric, the whole 9 yards. It's a pretty cool wall. We're gonna keep going up there to his turnaround. He's gonna get a turnaround of about 24 foot back there. So he'll be able to get his 4-seater side by side in there. Be pretty cool. Yeah, it's a Monday. It's time to get shit done.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment.